everybody. Welcome to another nature walk vlog. Today we are at a new park. I'm so excited to explore. It is another beautiful day here in the Northeast. Beautiful spring weather. And look at that. Isn't this area so beautiful? I've got Bentley with me today. Bootsy! Bentley Boots! And we are ready to explore. So let's see what we see. Come on, Boots! Bootsy, this way! This way, buddy! Starting off, some lovely trees. Everything is just so green right now. Come on, Boots. Wow, look at these. These are so tall. Oh, it's beautiful under here. It's so shady. It's pretty warm out today. Come on, Boots. We'll never get far. There's so much to see around here. These trees are just so tall. I'd love to visit the redwood trees in California because these seem enormous, and I know they are like nothing in comparison to the redwoods. Come on, Boots, let's go head to this beautiful flowered tree back here. Let's see what it looks like. Rhododendrons from here. I don't know. Bootsy is just loving all of the smells. There's so many smells. I'm sure lots of dogs come through this park. How do we get over there? Of course, I always gravitate to the flowers. That's what I want to see first. Looks like this could be like a stream, maybe? I think there's a museum back here too. Ooh, beautiful. Wow, look at that. But first, flowers. These are stunning. Look at that. They smell nice. Let's see what kind of flower this is. Oops. Did I leave my phone in the car? I think I did. That's okay. We'll find it out. We'll find out. Maybe I'll put it on the screen later. Let's see if I can just take a little picture. I said I wasn't going to stay out too long today because it's pretty warm. And Bentley will get overheated. Look at these hydrangeas. These are like some of the ones that I saw at the arboretum recently. Let's just take a walk past this really cool museum. I haven't decided yet how much location information I want to share, so I won't say exactly what this is called. But look at that stunning there's a word for it. Atrium or conservatory. That is so beautiful. That is like my dream. So pretty. This tree must light up apparently. just see what else we see. Looks like there's lots more back here. Ah, yep, rhododendrons. Rhododendron bush. Never seen a bush that large. Look at that. It's like a tree almost. It smells great back here. I feel like those are the possibly the rhododendrons, and there's hydrangeas. Bentley is just sniffing away at all this ivy, probably because lots of doggies have come through and left their scent. Come on, Bootsy. Come on. Oh, it smells so lovely. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm smelling the rhododendrons. This is so pretty. Can't tell if I'm smelling the rhododendrons or something else. But these are definitely a type of hydrangea. Yeah, this is huge. Look how big that is. For reference, there's a bench. That is a huge rhododendron tree. Honestly, that's not even a bush. Okay, let's go this way. It says there's like a carriage house, but I don't know if I'm supposed to go in there. If you're allowed to go in there. I'm just going to take a peek because look how beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. I just don't know if I'm allowed in here. Oh, there's like a garden. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, look, these are peonies, I think. So pretty. Yep, peonies. Oh, and they smell lovely. I can really always tell peonies now by these, like, they have a very, like, cotton ball bundle type of bud before they open. Let's just take a little walk around this beautiful little garden. Whoa, baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I've never seen a flower that large. Look at that. I've never seen, like, ever. That's crazy. I hope that is showing on camera how large that flower is. I've just actually never seen, and the thing is, like, for reference, here's Bentley. Look, that is one flower. Crazy. Can't wait to look that up and see what that is. I mean, the tree, look, that's one that hasn't opened yet. So cool. Look at all this looks like. I'm not sure what this is called. I want to find that out as well. And then look at these. Oh my gosh. They're so perfect. Oh, I'm really missing not having my phone. I think they're a type of peony. If I could see it all bundled up. Could be. That's a bud. Could be a peony. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going, buddy. Look at all of these. These are all, yeah, that's a peony bush. Oh, clematis. Purple clematis. It's so pretty. Come here, bud. Let's see if we can get a picture of you. Yeah. You're such a cute baby. Bootsy, over here. Yeah. Bootsy? Yeah. Beautiful flowers. Let's go this way, see what else we can see. It's kind of odd because it seems like there should be like somebody in here. I'm like scared. I'm gonna walk up on somebody and they're gonna be like, what are you doing back here? Interesting. So this sign mentions that, oh, this is actually what was the kitchen garden. For my British friends, I always hear about people having kitchen gardens, especially like in the Cotswolds. And of course, all of this area, the Northeast, is very much what's the word I'm looking for? I mean, of course, a lot of it was settled by the British. So, makes sense. Let's see what else is back here. Like I said, we won't go super far because it's warm out and I don't want my Bootsy to get overheated. Right? Come on, Boots. Yeah. He's having a great time though. Oh, there's a dog park in there. Very interesting. I have to save that for another day. Those are super pretty. I think we found out what they were called on another walk, but I forgot. Ooh, I think I want to get like a little book. That would be fun. Like a little nature journal, and then maybe that I can release it. That way I can remember all of these names. Oh, look at this trail. Okay, we won't go all the way back here today because A, I don't want Boots to get overheated, and B, I don't have my phone, and I would be the one to get lost. But look how pretty. We'll just go down here just a little bit. And we're going to stay close, buddy, because it's a lot of bush. And it seems like it could be very wildlife heavy. Apparently they have snakes around here. Look, there's like a path so people go through there. It's so pretty through here. We're just going to go to that opening right up there and then we'll come back. Because we need to be safe, right, buddy? Sometimes I like to just run a little bit to get Bootsy excited. Come on, buddy. Lots of honeysuckle. That's honeysuckle in there. And these, I wish I could remember. I want to say it's called like cottonwood. Dogwood. Well, this is a 1/4 mile. Interesting. Wow, this is truly like a forest. Okay, so yeah, we will be back. This is on our top list. Look at that fallen tree. How cool is that? This is on our top list of spots we will be back. Right, Bootsy? Yeah. Yeah. But you're getting hot, I can tell. So let's head back, okay? Come on. We've got water and such in the car. I'm not too worried about it right now, though, because it's actually quite cool. It's only like, it might be like 75. But it's just been so cold here that everything feels like way hotter than it really is. It's been cold for so long. And even though we are in June, it's like just now getting consistently warm. So even for Bootsy, I feel like I have to be extra conscious of the fact that it's not climatized yet. But it's not too bad. It's not like it's like 90 degrees. Boots won't know what to do. He won't know what to do when it's that hot. Come on, buddy. This smells lovely. What is this? Is this what I'm smelling? I think it is. I don't know what that is. Let's see if I can find a bloom so that later we can look it up. Huh. Don't know what that is. But it smells lovely. Come on, Boots. Come on. Let's find a shady way to go back. We'll go across here. It's not too bad. Lots of green. Yeah. Did you want to stop it in the shade for a minute, buddy? Okay, you guys. We are going to end our nature vlog here today because I want Bentley to cool off in the shade for a minute. Let's just end it off showing this beautiful kitchen garden. It is just beautiful, stunning. And our Bootsy. Yeah, he's starting to seek out the shade. That's how we know it's time to go. Alright, you guys. I will see you again next time. See you tomorrow. Same place, same time for another nature vlog. Bye!